So in our theaters, I work with the surgeons and the doctors. So as we are operating, there are some mothers who come in and the midwives have already said, we don't feel the fetal heart, the baby is so weak, the baby is already dead, just operate and save the mother's life. But out of learning that I should intercede as I work, I stand on table operating while praying in my spirit, praying in my heart, praying for the baby, for the doctors, and even the mother who is being operated upon. I thank God before I took no much attention upon the babies who were brought out. But right now, after having an intercession spirit inside me, I always take care of the babies who come out of the womb, even those that have said are so weak and they cannot come out well. So because I take care of the babies, most times I feel their fetal hearts, and at least I feel a little thing, and I plead unto the doctors. I'm like, Surgeon, this baby can make it. Let's try to take care of him. Try to take care of her. Sometimes the surgeons are like, no, the thing is already dead, just throw it away. Sometimes they put them on the side. But I try so much and pull their hearts onto the babies. And right now, at least I've managed to save 2 babies. At first, it was a mother who was delivering twins. Delivered the twins, and another twin was thrown off. They were saying it's a dead thing. But in my spirit, I was praying, and the spirit was saying, at least this baby is alive. So I prayed for the baby, took care of the baby, followed up the baby till the baby was fine. And the other one, they expected to be okay later on, passed off. But this one whom that dropped is the one who was living, and the mother was glad about having the baby. So I just thank God about Market 70. It has taught me how to intercede on behalf of my job. It has taught me to love my job.